I've always been drawn to money, not just earning it, but understanding how it works and managing it. The systems, the flow, the decisions behind it, they always fascinated me. That's why accounting felt like such a natural choice. After all, accounting is all about money, isn't it? That's what most people think. That's what I used to think too. But what if I told you that accounting is not all about money? I know, it may sound a little strange. I mean, isn't accounting supposed to be all about tracking profits and losses and basically money? But while tracking finances, the environment and the society are often disregarded. And while one is the currency that fuels our economies, the other is responsible for the life of our planet. What if accounting could be the bridge connecting these two? Accounting is evolving. It's no longer just about counting rupees or dollars. In fact, accounting has the power to help solve some of the biggest challenges of our time, like climate change, social inequality, and corporate responsibility. Let's face it, we're living in a world where sustainability is no longer just an option, it's a necessity. Every day, when we turn on the television to watch the news or open a newspaper, we're reminded of the pressing issues that our world faces. Nowadays, companies need to do more than just raise a profit. They need to address their impact on the environment and on the society. But here's the thing, how can companies address something that they don't even measure? That's where accounting comes in. As an accounting student, I'm learning how to track numbers and ensure that financial statements reflect a true and fair view. But what if we could measure not only profits, but also companies' progress? Think about it. When we focus only on measuring profits, we often forget to measure the costs that we incur in the process, like environmental damage and the exploitation of workers. Someone has to measure these costs. Someone has to ensure transparency. Someone has to guide businesses toward change. That someone could be the accountant. By using tools like ESG metrics and the triple bottom line framework, accountants can help businesses look beyond profits and use their resources efficiently while also minimizing the harm done to the environment. Let me explain. ESG, or environmental, social, and governance metrics, are becoming the new standard for evaluating businesses. They measure things like a company's carbon footprint, their employee welfare, and their corporate transparency. They give businesses a way to track their sustainability efforts. The triple bottom line framework takes it a step further. Instead of focusing solely on financial profit, it measures three things: profit, people, and the planet. Profit is the traditional financial bottom line, which is included because, of course, businesses need to be profitable to survive. The second pillar, people. It considers the impact that businesses' decisions have on human beings, like their employees or their consumers. And the third pillar, planet, considers the environmental impact of a business, such as their carbon footprint and how they manage their natural resources. Accounting isn't just about tracking numbers anymore. It's about shifting mindsets. Now, you may be wondering, why do we need this shift? Well, right now, most businesses only report their financial performances. But imagine this. What if a company that is earning millions in profit is also causing billions in environmental damage, or maybe exploiting its workers? Without accounting, these costs go unseen, and then change just doesn't happen. But you may ask, why is any of this important? That's a good question. For me, this matters because I don't want to spend my career just calculating profits and ignoring the bigger picture. I want to be able to contribute to something bigger than myself, something that affects the entire world. That is sustainability. But of course, this isn't just about me. It's about all of us. Sustainability impacts everyone. Whether you're a parent, a student, a teacher, or just someone who cares about the planet, you have a part to play in this. I know how you feel. Sustainability can be overwhelming sometimes. But isn't it so much easier to think, what difference could I make? I'm only one person. But I don't see it that way. I believe that everyone has a role to play, even accountants. But obviously, this isn't just for them. This is for anyone who believes that businesses can and should do better. It's for anyone who cares about leaving the world a better place than we found it.